Hello, my name is Hemi, and today we'll be going over YLOC first grade worksheet, lesson number 11. So don't forget to write your date and let's get started. So we are going to be going over fact families 11 and 12. So we find the sums and differences for each fact family. Use a number line if you need help. So fact families are like numbers we kind of have memorized in our head that just that we know what they add up to just quickly. So like 4 plus 6 will equal to 10. Like that's like a fact family. So if you see right over here, they have a fact family of my example was 6, 4, and 10. They have a fact family of 2, 9, and 11 because you can add and subtract with these three numbers, which is a family. So let's try this out. So 2 plus 9, 10, 11, right? So that would be 11. 9 plus 2 is the same thing, right? It will still come out to 11. And 11 plus 2, even 11 minus 2, even if you don't know the answer, you know it's going to be 9 because 9 is in the fact family. So once you start solving these and you kind of get like a hold of, oh, what numbers go along with this when I add and subtract, then that is knowing your fact families. So 11 minus 2, if 11 minus 9, even if you don't know, you will know that it's 2 because 2 is in the fact family. 6 plus 6, let's use the number line for this. So let's say we start at 6. Then from here we go add 6, so we go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We arrive at 12, right? And we can see this number 12 right over here. So our sum will be 12, and our difference right here will be 6. Very simple once you just have this memorized. So if we look right over here, before we even solve it, we can see 4, 8, and 12. So we can assume that's the fact family, right? So honestly, you can just fill it out. From the family, what is missing from this one? 4 and 8, 12 is missing. And then 8 plus 4, what is missing? 12. 12 minus 4, what's missing? 8. 12 minus 8, what is missing? 4. And you can double check and come back and see that 4 plus 8 does actually add up to 12. 8 plus 4, same thing, 12. 12 minus 4 is minus 2, 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So it makes sense. So this is why fact families are very important and useful. Let's try number 8. We have 5, 7, and 12. So from here, we know that we can write 12, fill in 12. What's missing here? 12. What's missing here? 7. What's missing here? 5. We can double check by saying 5 plus 7 equals 12. Because 5 plus 5 is 10, and then 2 more to that is 12. Flip this around is the same thing. So whenever they flip around the number, it doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter because it's gonna the sum is going to be the same, but when you're subtracting, it does matter. And so you can see right over here that these are two different numbers while these are the same numbers. Okay, we are going to find each sum and difference. Circle the clown with the greatest answer. The first one is done for you. Okay, so we are just going to be going down from here, working one by one to find a total number, I guess. Yeah, find each sum and difference. So we are going to find this and find the greatest. So from here, we are going to solve 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7, it was up here, 11. And I have this memorized, so I will kind of quickly go through this. And from 11, you minus 6, that would be 5, right? And then from 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, which you should have memorized. Okay, so for this, the greatest, 12 minus 8 is 4, and then you're minusing 4 again, which is 0, but then 0 plus 5 would equal to 0. 0 plus 9 is obviously 0 because you're not adding anything. 9 plus 2 is 10, 11, so it's 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4, which you saw in the fact family. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is going to be 12 because 2 plus 8 is 10, and another 10 is 12. 12 minus 4 is going to be 8. And then 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the greatest clown. So the clown with the greatest answer would be this one. Okay, the numbers you add are called add-ins. And you can add 3 numbers in different ways. Add the numbers in order, so you can just add the first 2 numbers, like that, and then add the second number, right? Or you can look for a 10. So look for 2 numbers that add up to 10. So right here, 4 plus 6, like in my example, 4 plus 6 equals 10. So you can use that and then add the third number. I personally would recommend this way because it's actually really easy to add up. So if we find each sum, let's see. Sometimes you aren't able to make tens, and that's okay. So here's a perfect example. We cannot make tens from any of the numbers we see here. So we'll try to make it as close as possible. So 6 plus 9. We'll do these first, which is 9, and then 6 plus 3 is 9, and then 9 plus 2 will be 11. And then sometimes it's easier to go top to bottom. Doesn't really matter. Like right now, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Oh, this one you can make 10, right? 9 plus 1 is already 10. So from 10, you just add the last number, which is 12. And then from here, the closest you can make is a 9. 4 plus 5. Yeah, add 1 is going to be 11. 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7 plus 1. 4 plus 7 is already 11, and you add 1 is 12. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And then we have right here, 3 plus 7 is 10, and you add just 1, 11. 5 plus 5 also equals to 10, so you just add 2 from there. Very, very simple. And we have to find each sum, a little activity, and use the code below to solve the riddle. The riddle is they're sometimes called kings at the circus they jump through rings. Oh, that rhymes. Okay, so let's try this out. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 minus 8 is, you're going to be left with 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 would be L. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 1, 2, 7. 7 plus 5 is 10. And then you add 2, which is 12. 12 is I. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 6 will be 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 is O. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 4 is equivalent to 7. 7 will be N. Oh, lion? Lions, maybe? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 is S. Okay, so the code is lions.